Alaikum. I hope you are doing great, and today I'm very happy because a long time after I have come here to see my agricultural field. Okay, so by the way, and today's weather condition is very good, and I have come here to see my agricultural field, and inshallah, few time after I will show my agricultural field because someday. Or maybe 2 months ago we planted this paddy, and right now my paddy field is ripe and some of them are unripe. So I'm very happy because some days after we will cut these trees with my father, and right now I am here and to see. So you can see this view, and very nice, and around me whole paddy field, and I will show you my agricultural field, so you will stay with me. First of all, you can see this is paddy field, and I am sitting right now, and you can see this is paddy. So very interesting and well grown, unripe, but some of them ripe, and right now I'm touching this crown and I feel very happy. So it's a very moment, and you can see this paddy field, and very it looks very good and beautiful. And sometimes some days after we will cut this paddy field, and we will carry, and I'm very happy. And sometimes I have come here, and I see them, and very interesting, and I will show you clearly, so that you see. And this paddy, and really very happy and very interesting crown, and some of them ripe. So this paddy, and very interesting, and we depend on it. So alhamdulillah, and thank you for watching my videos. Inshallah, I will come back.